Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to use zoom on this laptop's display. To enable zoom, you have to press the combination of two keys, Windows and plus. After that, you can use different features on this bar that appear on your screen. To change the zoom level, you can use plus and minus icons. Using next two icons, you can reset the zoom size. Using the play icon, you can read the text from the screen.
Desktop 1.
Using this one icon, you can choose the place from which you want to start reading.
File Explorer pinned.
In settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider either to the left to decrease the speed or to the right to increase it. You can also change the voice of the reader by expanding this list. You can go to this magnifier settings by clicking right here, or you can open the start menu, then go to settings, then open accessibility settings and select magnifier. Here you can also enable the magnifier. You can change the zoom level right here and the zoom increments right here. And what's most important, you can change the view of the magnifier. You can select one of the three available views. You just seen the full screen view. Now here's also docked view that looks like this. You can adjust it by moving this bar below it. And there's also the lens view, which looks like this. And for each view, there are different settings. For example, for the docked magnifier, you have the following settings. By default, this magnifier follows your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor, and the narrator cursor. If, for example, we disable the mouse following, the magnifier will look like this. For the full screen magnifier, we also have the same settings of following, and we can also keep the mouse pointer and the text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. If we change this setting, for example for the mouse pointer, the magnifier will start looking like this. Now for the lens magnifier, we can change the height of the magnifier and the width of it to adjust it to our needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.